Alright, what's up guys? In this video we're going to be talking about the 10 golden things that I wish I knew when I first started trading. That was about 2015, so it's been about 5 years now. If I knew these things, I would have saved a lot of money and a lot of time. So that's why I'm going to tell you guys now. But before we get into the video, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Patrick Tucson. I'm a 27-year-old entrepreneur from South Africa. God is my CEO. That's it. He's my boss. He tells me what to do, when to do it, where to go. I don't want to take commands from men like a little pet puppy on a leash, getting told where to be, when to be there, how to do everything, what to wear. I don't want to be told what to do by another man that makes me build his dream. I'd rather go out there and build my own dreams and figure out what's my purpose, calling, vision, and spend my time thinking about that stuff rather than thinking about a job at hand that holds you back from your creative ability to think about what you're actually meant to do on this earth, what product you can create, how you can serve the people, how you can help people. That's pretty much why we're all here. We should just make this world literally a better place. So you can take your information, you can help people through nutrition, through fitness, through finance, through spirituality, whatever it is, you can just help people. So while I'm documenting my journey on the way there, I'll help you guys I'll share it. So if you guys are keen to learn about this, the financial freedom, and also more importantly, the spiritual freedom, believing that you are saved and have eternal life and there is no death and that you have eternal life, that is the best freeing feeling that you actually truly get. So if you guys are keen to get involved and follow along with the journey, I also have drift cars and bikes and do crazy stuff. So you guys can hit the subscribe button somewhere and hit the little bell notification, beep, 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 so that you get notified when I publish a new video. But in the meantime, cue the intro, let's get into it. Right. Alright, what's up guys? So I am super stoked to finally get in a few of my sample caps of my brand, and all these caps do is they remind me to stay inspired, to stay on my vision, on my eternal plan, on my dreams, and to build my big picture, okay? So each time I look at them, it reminds me to become my best self, to master the mind, to go on and pretty much do what you're supposed to do on this earth. So what we are going to be talking about over here is the 10 golden tips for traders. So number one, let's get right to it. Okay, so I took down some notes. Why? Because trading, you need to start learning to journal, and just in life in general, we have access to create whatever life we want. Start off by writing it down. So I took down some notes of some things that I didn't want to miss out because there's a lot of stuff I can speak about. Rule number one is trading is just the turbocharger that you bolt on, and it speeds it up and it compounds it over time, and then it helps you out as an investor, right? Knowing what to do with your funds. But you still need the online money machine to have many different entrances, and that's where the multiple income streams go. Okay guys, rule number two, all right? Trading is a business, right? It's not just some play land online. It is a business, and you need to know exactly what you're doing. So what do you need to have in a business? You need a business plan, guys. So if you don't have a business plan, then how can you get investors to invest in your business? Now, if you're going to be your own investor in your company, you need a rule-based trading plan that has specific rules that are non-negotiable, and you can't break them, okay? Like you can't move your stop loss, or you can't change your mind within a trade. You plan your trade and you trade your plan. You don't let your emotions
change your mind while you're inside a trade, okay? So your trading plan is vitally important. If you do not have a trading plan in there, you guys are asking for trouble, okay? Trading plan states your rules. It needs to be a rule-based trading plan. For example, for every single trade that you put in, you have a risk to reward of at least 3-1, which means if you lose, you will lose just one amount, and if you win, you'll win 3 times the amount. So if you had a 50-50% win ratio, you would still be profitable, because each time you lose only 1/3 of the amount you make when you win, okay? That's just trying to explain it as simple as it can. It gets way more in depth than that. So, okay. Pen's getting a bit empty over here. You're going to be in it for the long game. Trading, in the beginning, people get into it thinking, oh, I can get money faster. It's just going to be a short-term fix, blah, blah, blah. No. If you're going to start trading, it's a career path. It's very fun, very addictive, very dangerous, very rewarding, all of the above. It's very emotional, but this is a long game process, okay? The patient people are the ones that win. You swing trade, you don't scalp. All of the beginners, right, always go down to the little baby time frames because they are impatient. And the lower time frame you go, the more unexpected and randomized the price action is, okay? It's the main, because the institutions, the big banks, they don't, their algorithms do that, which are designed against the human emotion, so they'll eat you up. So how the big institutional orders come through is long-term swing trades, okay? You don't chase the money, guys. Learn the game. Learn the game and how to play the game. Learn the rules of the game. Make the rules. Don't break the rules until you beat the game. And guess what? If you beat this game, it's the game with the greatest potential in the world. You have unlimited access to the market, guys. You can pull as much money as you want out of the market. That is the reward of this game if you master the game, okay? So it's all about a game. You need to master the game. Number 4, guys, number 4 is less is more. What does this mean? Okay, simple as this. The less you trade, the more money you will make. It's very counterintuitive. You don't understand that, especially in the beginning, because we are programmed as a society to think that the more you work, the more you'll earn. The harder you work, the harder you'll earn. But you got to work smart, not necessarily hard. You work hard, but in the smart direction, so it goes 10 times the speed, 10x. So less is more. Remember that. You don't want to trade a lot. You want to just trade the A+, triple plus trades, which have 5 or so confluences, which combine your reasons for entry on a trade, technical analysis plus fundamental news like Trump's tweets. The market just it's crazy, okay? So you have to understand the fundamentals and the technicals. You combine them. You take only triple A+ trades. Don't trade a lot. You swing trade, maybe a handful of trades a week max, but in the beginning people trade 20, 30, 50 trades a day, because in, out, and then you play a game like a child plays a game without a proper plan behind it. So that's number 4. 5 is focus on risk, okay? You focus on the risk, not necessarily just the profit. Everyone focuses on just a profit in the beginning, and then guess what happens? They are blinded by infatuation, thinking of how much on this one trade they can make everything and fix all their problems, and they blind themselves to the potential consequences that come after that, all right? So now they get in so big thinking, oh yes, and then it goes the other way. And now they are like, what must I do? Oh, and then they trade emotionally. You don't stick to your rules with your correct risk to reward ratio, with your stop loss in the right place. Then you just be crazy. So you need to focus on risk, because once you put a trade in, there's only one thing. There's only one thing that you have control of, and it is your risk. because it's you who defines how much you will allow the market to take from you. It's as simple as that. That's all you have control of is your risk, guys. Number 6 is don't rely only on indicators, guys. This is what most beginners do because they think, oh, there's an indicator. It must tell me some secret to when I must buy and sell. And guess what? Everyone does that. Then the institutions and banks know the mass retail traders are going to be doing that. So they know where you're going to put your stops, and then they scalp the market with massive orders and into your stop losses to fill the liquidity pool of their bigger orders that go the other way. And then they take you out, and you wonder if, okay, so now just think about this. If you flipped a coin, right, wherever it would go over time, you would have around about a 50% chance of being right or wrong, okay? So now, if you flip a coin or close your eyes and click buy and sell, you should be right 50% of the time. Why is it that 95% or so of traders lose and blow their accounts and quit? Because something that the masses are doing, the 1% elite knows what they're doing, and they are manipulating and capitalizing on their mass sheep mentality. Guys, you need to understand this stuff. This is where trading, the psychology, takes you to the profitable state. So don't rely on indicators. You need to learn the price action psychology. If you don't know what I'm talking about, price action, where you can actually describe human emotions behind each candlestick, go and click on a video I made years ago. It will be somewhere up here. Pause this video right now, go watch that, then come back and continue. Okay, that's number 6. Number 7 over here is you need to focus on personal development, guys. You don't understand, because it's scientifically proven that generally how you do one thing is how you do everything. And if you're lazy and undisciplined in something like smoking or eating your sweets and sugars and chocolates when you know you shouldn't be, then you are not disciplined, and that will reflect in the markets. Because guess what? You're going to have rules. You're going to have rules, and you're going to cheat the rules, and the market's going to eat you up to pieces. So personal development. So because generally Forex and trading attracts the lazy. It's the people who want to make cash without doing work. They just want to buy and sell. Generally it's a gambling mentality. That's the masses, all right? So so it attracts the lazy, right? Now the 5% who make it, those are truly disciplined people that master every area of their lives, not just trading, right? You got to become, you got to master the mind. I got this book called Mind Power, and it links with quantum physics and the Bible, with your beliefs, how they come true, with the law of attraction, and all of it combined. And it's absolutely fascinating, guys. Wisdom and knowledge, you should seek that, not money. All right, so personal development. Now number 8, there is no no secret strategy, right? Hashtag cheat code. This is what everyone spends the first few years trying to learn while they're trading, is just the secret strategy, this one robot, this Binance thing, scam, rubbish, junk, all of it. Because even if you find a bot and a trading bot and stuff that can work, the market's always evolving to human psychology. So this bot will not always work because it changes. You need to know how to adapt and evolve with the market. So there is no secret strategy or cheat code out there. It just takes discipline. It takes solid hard work and commitment from you guys. Okay, which leads me to number 9. Don't rely on signals. Now, what does it mean here? Okay, this secret strategy ends up being advertised all over the internet, where they give you these signals, right? So you pay to get into these signal provider groups. No one shows their faces. No one knows who it is. It's all very sketchy, very weird, and a lot of scams are involved in this place, right? Now, This is the problem. Even if you find guys that can provide you with good signals, right, where you make cash with your signals, you still are not learning. You have a lack of knowledge and you are not financially independent because you'll be dependent on your signal provider. So you should never find a signals group hoping, I'm just going to take signals and then, oh, I'm going to be rich and then fine. That guy might have a problem, he might leave, he might change his story, who knows what the situation is, and then what? Now you're screwed again. So you need to learn the skill yourself. So no signals, guys. Learn the skill. It is important to join a community that discusses analysis and breakdowns and journaling and stories of their trades and reasons for entries and exits, like full explanations, rather than you are blindly just buying here and you selling here and you don't know why, and you're winning and you're like, oh cool, I'm a trader. Meantime, you don't even know why you got in the trade there. You need to learn and understand why you take these trades. So signals can be provided to you, but you still have to now take those and put them with your own plan and your own understanding, and then you decide if you take the trade or not. Which leads me to number 10 of the golden tips is guys, this is the main one, guys, your main investment is to invest in you. Guys, the best investment you can make is in you and your knowledge. I promise you, if you do what I did and try go with just free information, which is always delayed, all the free YouTube out there can teach you so much, and I suggest you learn as much as you can for free first. But every free bit of information out there is always delayed. It's not ahead of the market, so it's always reactionary. What's important is you need to invest in you through mentorships, courses, programs, everything you can to become the best you and gain your knowledge, because knowledge is power, guys. That's what's going to really get you free. Okay, I mean, I've done so many different courses and stuff, and I've combined them all into my own style, into my own way of trading, of entrepreneurship online, into my own style, right? I've done Astro FX course, I've done a course from Benz, I've done Infinite Prosperity, and I've done about 2 or 3 more courses as well, and then I've done a bunch of e-commerce and digital marketing and all of these things, and you understand how the entrepreneurship online world works. If you see videos with viral views, you understand how they are monetizing that. Where is the commission? Where is the link? Where is the landing page, the capture page, the squeeze page to sell people things that help them? Okay, it's a full combination of everything. So you need to invest in you, guys. Is that? So go out there, find courses and stuff. But in the meantime, for those of you guys who want to know how you can win these caps, okay, this is what you got to do. You got to go down in the comment section below. You need to comment your 2020 vision, right? It must be compelling and awesome. Then I want you to screenshot that. I want you to go over to Instagram, okay, and then you can find my handle somewhere here, and then I want you to post that as your story and tag me. Then that will qualify you for the entrance, and you guys will win a cap of your choice, and you'll gain access to join into my mastermind. And inside this private group is where we share trade analysis, everything upfront, live before the market opens. I'll do weekly live trade setup videos. We'll do trade breakdowns. It's just pretty much a mastermind group to start and grow your personal development. It will be pretty much like a digital life coach. So in your pocket will be a pocket coach. You can talk to me whenever you want. I'll be there to send you the correct things, help you wherever you get stuck on your online journey, whether it be creating your logo, building your website, building your landing page, finding out what you want to do, what's your service, what's your product, or if you just want to trade the markets only and you focus on that, we will be breaking down the correct currency pairs to go through. I'll be breaking down Bitcoin, the NASDAQ, the Forex pairs, the commodity, which is the gold and the silver. Pretty much anything that you ask, I will break it down and we will analyze it together as a group inside the Traders Lounge. So this is how you guys get there. The first link that you're going to see is you click on that and that will take you onto my website where you can see what you'll get inside of the Mastermind, right? The mentorship group, and then you can apply it. But for those of you guys who do not have money to fund your trading account with yet, this is what I suggest you do, is you start with affiliate marketing. Now in the second button or link below is going to be the 15-day online business builder challenge with my mentor, David Sharp. Okay, he's made over $200 million online. It sounds unbelievable, but until you see how much a digital product, which has no cost, no inventory, it's infinite, how it can be scaled up exponentially through Facebook ads and YouTube ads. These guys are making hundreds of thousands of dollars weekly. It is mind blowing. Okay, so start with your affiliate marketing over there. Once you start earning commissions, now the 15-day business builder course will step by step, you'll get an online personal coaching call. Step by step will walk you through the blueprints. They'll literally, your computer, it's click by click, shows you how to do absolutely everything you want. And then so you start there. After you start to earn the commissions and stuff there, then you fund it into your trading account, which is the turbocharger to the motor, and then you can start with that. All right, guys, so I hope you learned something today. If you got any value from this, then hit a thumbs up. If you didn't learn anything, hit a thumbs down. But in the meantime, guys, if you want to follow along with the journey and the free trading advice and general entrepreneurship lifestyle advice that I'll give, then you guys can subscribe over here, or there's 2 more videos YouTube has either told you to watch or recommends for you that I suggest you watching. In the meantime, guys, peace.